Welcome back to Aisha's Academy. And in today's video, we're going to be going through speed, density, and pressure. So you may be familiar with speed, density, and time. However, you may also be asked to work out pressure as well. And the main thing with all these different variables is that they can be calculated using formula triangles. Okay, they're basically triangles that we use in maths and sometimes in GCSE physics to help us work out these things. So the first triangle I'm going to draw is for the speed, distance, and time equations. So distance is at the top, speed and time are at the bottom. And the main thing with your formula triangles is that the horizontal line is represented by division. Think about it, how division is the same as fractions, right? And the vertical line is the time sign. The other formula triangle that we're going to go through is going to involve our mass, density, and our volume. Okay, so same thing here in the sense of horizontal line is division and the multiplying is the vertical sign. And the last formula triangle we're going to go through is involving our force, our pressure, and our area. So with this triangle, pressure is at the bottom, force is at the top, and area is also at the bottom. Okay, so remember these to help you work out certain parameters in these triangles. So for example, if it says the density of a big rock is 1.2 grams per centimeter cubed and it has a volume of 300 centimeters cubed, what's the mass? We're going to use the middle triangle. So mass is equal to density times volume, what we know from the triangle, and therefore we are going to do the 1.2 times the 300, and that would leave us with an answer of 360 grams. So now for some practice questions. Example 1. So in this example, Peter goes for a walk. He walks 15 miles for 6 hours. So he wants us to work out his speed. So we're going to use the speed, distance, and time formula triangle, which I'm just going to illustrate on the left-hand side. So again, remembering that speed's at the bottom, which are represented by S, distance at the top, represented by D, and time at the bottom, represented by D. So because we're working out our speed, right? So speed, to help you know which one to use, cover this S for the speed so you can see that it will be distance divided by time. So that's another thing. Cover the actual parameter that you're trying to work out to see what you're going to do from that formula triangle. So speed is equal to distance divided by time. So we are going to do 15 miles divided by 6 hours, because the unit is miles per hour. They've already given us the units, nice and lovely. So that's 2.5 meters per hour. Miles per hour. So this time, Sunita's basically saying that Peter walked for more than 20 kilometers. So let's work this out. So we know that 5 miles is equal to 8 kilometers. He walks 15 miles, right? So to get from 5 miles to 15 miles, we multiply by 3. Do that on the other side for the kilometers will give you the 8 kilometers multiplied by 3 would be 24 kilometers. So he's walking for 24 kilometers, which is more than 20 kilometers. So Sunita is correct. And that's all you need to say, something along those lines. Example 2. So in this instance, it's given us force, it's given us pressure, wants us to work out area. And here they've actually given us the formula, which is really nice of them. But in cases where they don't give you the formula, then draw your formula triangle, which again, I'm just still going to draw on the left-hand side just to remind you. So because they want us to work out area, we know area in the triangle is in the bottom right corner, or you can just rearrange the formula that they're giving you, cover the A for area, and you'll notice that to work out area, it's going to be force divided by pressure. Or you would have figured that out from rearranging the formula that they've given you. So plug those numbers in. So our area is going to be equal to 140 divided by 35. And that's going to leave you with an answer of 4 meters squared. And that's basically it in terms of speed, density, pressure, and the different ways of working them out. I hope that was really useful. And stay tuned for watching. Sorry, stay tuned for more content. And thank you for watching. Please, please, please do like, comment, and subscribe so we can help this channel grow and help as many people as possible. Thank you, guys.